Bet you just can't eat one to satisfy your hunger. Need a moment to think before you consume food? It's more than just a mouthful, it's eating healthy. Young teens who binge eat and those who are fearful of weight gain may be more likely to become overweight later in adolescence, according to a new study from the United Kingdom. Researchers have searched for early symptoms of eating disorders among more than 7,000 13-year-olds and found certain symptoms predicting that children would have weight problems at age 15. But what are some of the things that may drive students to have eating disorders?
An eating disorder is any problem that involves food issues, which could be either undereating and overeating. A big problem is that people forget about the overeating part and they don't even consider it an eating disorder by any means. If you are eating too much, or even if you are not eating anything, both of those could be considered different types of eating disorders.
There are many different causes that may lead to eating disorders.
I think the media has a big reason why people have eating disorders. You see these people in commercials constantly who are stick thin, and that makes people think that that is how you should look, when in reality most people are not that size. And I think that's a big reason why they want to fit in with society. They want to have the same looks that other people who are popular or who are on TV have, when in reality that is not what people really look like.
Developing an eating disorder can always be prevented.
To eat healthy, you have to make sure that you're eating something out of every single food group that there is. You need to make sure you have your carbs, your protein, your fruits, your vegetable, everything. You need to know how many calories you need to eat a day. And a lot of those problems are people don't know the basics behind how much you should eat, how little you should eat, and that is a big reason why people do have these eating disorders, is because they just don't know the background. So if you find out your background, that is how you'll know how to eat healthy.
For more information, you can visit nationaleatingdisorders.org. For Bremen District Television, I'm Obehi reporting.